We can also use ChatGPT for translation, same as we do with Google Translate. But the beauty of using ChatGPT for translation is that we can actually control the output. So we can specify in our prompt that we want it to be, let's say, simplified or just generally control the level of simplicity or complexity of the output, or if we want in our output to imitate someone with a very unique, let's say, writing style, whether this is a famous writer or journalist or just a spokesperson, for example. We can also control that in a prompt, just simply after the actual prompt, the phrase we want to translate, just say something like, "Oh, can you translate it in a style of as someone." For example, as Steve Jobs would say that if he would have know any Chinese, I don't know if he did in real life. So if you are practicing a language, you can potentially imitate conversation with, let's say, someone who is a native speaker, which is of course a brilliant feature.